Hello everyone, welcome back to Sam's Diecast Showroom. My name is Sam and today we're going to be unboxing 7 brand new 2022 Hot Wheels. Yes, you heard me correctly. I am unboxing 7 of these. I haven't been able to open a lot of the 2022 Hot Wheels that I've scored, but we're going to start off with the Twinnin and Winnin. This is from a Baja Blazer series, number 1 of 10, and this is number 2 of 250. This was a retake for the B case, and you can read all that there if you would like. First car that we're getting open in today's video. And we'll see what it is all about. I tore the packaging open, but that's alright. This is a very cool off-road vehicle, and this first debuted in 2021. I have the second color for 2021. Didn't manage to score the first color, but this is a very cool off-roading vehicle with a white plastic base. And you can read that there. And this has off-road 6-spoke wheels with a red chrome stripe on them. I love the Hot Wheels race team livery on it. That's kind of what it reminds me of. And it's got a little interior there, like a little part of the interior that runs along here. That is black. And you can see that beautiful deep blue color. And it has some tampos there, like yellow and red, with a spare tire in the back. Just a very cool casting to start off here. And I'm really liking this one. Large wheels in the back, small wheels in the front. Very cool casting indeed. Just an awesome ride to have in my collection. 85 Honda City Turbo 2 returns in the 2022 mainline in lime green. This is a reuse rides, and it's HW Turbo this time. And this is a cute little Japanese vehicle. Number 13 in the main line. All these are from B case, I believe. But these are very cool castings that I'm going to be getting open in today's video. I've never had, I think this is the first one of these that I've gotten open, the Honda City Turbo 2 1985. This has some nice spinning wheels, just a very cool car that Carryovers designed. This has white aerodisc wheels and lots of colors on it. It's got white, black, dark orange, I believe, or red. I think it's red and blue. It has a number 2 on the side with turbo right there. Very cool casting. It's kind of like the Japanese smart car. Actually, I don't know where smart cars are made because I haven't really brushed up on that. But here's the interior. Driving is on the right side, which is the opposite of the United States driving, of course. As you can see, has a Honda badge right there. No painted details on the back, but definitely a really cool ride with a nice sunroof. And I love the lime green color Hot Wheels put on this one. You can see that beautiful hood tampo right there, and the offset license plate or grill or whatever it is. This casting first came out in 2018 or 2017, I believe. All these cars are made in Malaysia. 85 Honda City Turbo 2. Car-De-Asada in a brand new recolor for 2022. This is from Fast Foodie series, and it is also a reuse rides. I have a 2021 color variation of this one. This is number 11. And this is actually an A-case vehicle and a Fast Foodie vehicle. That kind of popped right off. This is a taco on wheels, and I really like this new recolor for 2022. It has a nice side of like lemons, I believe, and I really like the color of the wheels. It's like a dark red chrome on gold yellow wheels, and those are 5-spoke wheels, by the way. It's got the brown taco color, and it's got like chips there. It's kind of like a sauce on the inside with a driver right there. And this yellow is actually the die-cast part of this casting. Every Hot Wheels has at least some die-cast on it, no matter how cheap or light it may feel. But definitely a cool ride to add to the collection. Very awesome. You can see that blown engine in the front. That's part of the sauce. Very cool. And a red plastic base. This came out in 2021, this casting. And I think it is very cool. Bubble Matic in a brand new recolor for 2022. This is also a reuse rides. Experimotors series this time. And that is a wand that you can actually stick in like a bubble formula. And you can actually blow bubbles with this vehicle. It's number 4. And a case once again. And this is a cool car with a cool special feature. I don't have any bubble juice with me, as they call it. Definitely a cool ride to have. And it's got white and purple wheels. I love the purple on this casting. And it does have a little bit of weight to it. It's got purple and blue bubble Matic tampos on it. And that is supposed to go up like so. Just a very cool ride. And you can actually stick that in the bubbles. And you can blow bubbles with this car. Very cool. You can collect all the colors of this one. This one came out in, what, 2017? So this one came out a couple years back, so you could get a few color variations, I would imagine. It's got a cyan diecast base, and I like that diecast base, and a clear plastic orange top on this one. And just an awesome one indeed. A brand new casting for 2022, the Porsche 935, the 2022 casting. This is based off of like a 2018 Porsche 935. This is from the HW Turbo segment. And this one I actually got at a different place, so it had a 70-cent price tag. This one's number 12 on the year. And yeah, let's just get it open. Hot Wheels really nailed this one. And I just want to take a look at those cool details. Finally get this one open. This one's a beauty. You can see that beautiful red color. I am really liking this one as the first edition. The next color is going to be black, but that hasn't reached our area yet. So can't wait to score that one too, to pair it with this one. This one has a number 70 on the side. I've been told that it has Momo inspired livery on it. But yeah, it does kind of remind me of it because it's got the red colors with the yellow pinstripes on it and a Hot Wheels logo right there. And you can see just a beautiful one with the gray Aerodisc wheels that definitely suit this casting, with a black interior. And you can see that beautiful top right there. Oh man, look at the front. And you can see those hood scoops right there. And also a Porsche logo and the beautiful aerodynamics on this one. Got a little tampo flaw there. You never know what you're going to get with these 99-cent vehicles. Well, in this case it was 70 cents, but you get the idea. This is a very cool vehicle, and it has a solid, like a thick plastic base, and you can see that there. Beautiful. And you can read the base there. 2021 copyright, brand new 2022 model. This is going to be an awesome addition to my collection. Fast Gassin from the HW Metro series. This is the Hot Wheels Metro Racing Fuel edition. This is HW Metro 2 of 10, and this one's actually number 6. And this is B case, HCW 57. This was an A case, but they carried it over to the B case. And some more stuff you can read there. I really am fond of this casting. The Fast Gassin. It's a tank truck, and I would really like to add this one loose to my collection. This is my second color of it. Very loose axles, as you can see right there. I like the chrome on the back. It is quite a light casting because only the cab is die-cast, but I still really love this one. You can see the quad smokestack. There's 8 of them in total, 4 on each side, Aerodisc wheels in a chrome, and you can see all those beautiful details right there. I love all the details that Hot Wheels put into this casting. This casting used to be a 6-wheeler, but in like 2013 or so, they changed it to a 4-wheeler, and they have separate piece fenders, which are blue in this case, like a lighter blue, and the cab is metal, and it's like a metal flake orange color, and the windows, all this like connect into the grille, and that is all chrome plastic, but you can see that beautiful decal. Hot Wheels Metro Racing Fuel with black, blue, and orange. Just a beautiful casting to add to the collection. Okay, I gotta use some other different words than beautiful. How about stunning or amazing or whatever? I don't want to be too monotonous here, but these cars are really cool to add to the collection. And last but not least, Baja Bone Shaker in an awesome brand new recolor. Another Baja Blazers car, and this is number 3 of 10. In the year, 3 of 10, 3 of 250 on the year. Sorry about that. This is a carryover from A case to B case as well. I am really liking this souped up off-road version of the classic Hot Wheels Bone Shaker. And this one kind of like popped right open. Alright, well, I like it when they come out clean. Very nice. And I missed the last year's treasure hunt of this one, but oh my goodness. Maybe I like this one better than last year's version. Even though last year's version was obviously a treasure hunt. I don't know if you guys... Comment if you guys have that treasure hunt one, the Halloween one. But look at that skull in the front. That is sick. If you see this driving towards you, you better get the heck out of there. Look at that brush guard. Beautiful vehicle. And you can see that it looks like a souped up. You can still see the bone shaker in this car, even though it is the Baja bone shaker. And you can see that there. Nice tampo work. I love the matte red color. It's kind of a dull matte red, but I really like it paired with these 6-spoke wheels, these off-road 6-spoke wheels, and it has gold rims on that. And this is very cool. You can see that there. Look at that. Is that a spare tire or something? I'm not sure. This is my first color. Oh, this is my first Baja Bone Shaker that I've ever owned. So I'm just getting to learn it. You can see those headlights on the top there. And just a sweet casting. Just a very sweet one. And yeah, I'm really liking it. Which Hot Wheels was your favorite that I opened up today? Please let me know in the comments section below which one was your favorite. And if you can't pick between two vehicles, just tell me both of them. I would really love to know your opinions on these Hot Wheels cars that I opened up today. As always, please subscribe.